tonight? you, and you. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we are here to entertain you. Come on, honey, sing it.
You wanna spend some time with me, boy, but I'm not coming home till 3, boy. Yes, I wanna dance the cruiser. It's that perfect way to start a rebel, from dishing dames, handsome fellas like yourself. Yes, I